I went to the hospital, 2 hours drive. The moment I got there, then I spoke to my sons. And of course, I spoke to my wife. Both of them. My wife actually was remarkable. You know, she was, you know, the fact that I was saved, she was quite relieved. But my boys were sort of quite worried. And I hope to see them soon. My sons, when they were younger, I'm talking about my older son was very sensitive. So when they were about 8, 9 years old, my older son, that's when he used to worry a lot, you know, and he always wanted me out of politics. But, you know, I feel that, you know, we human beings have a responsibility to our society. And this is the spiritual way of life. There are two ways. One is material yourself, the other is the spiritual. And some 30 years ago when I went on the spiritual path, that's the only reason I came into politics, because I realized I had a responsibility being so privileged in this country. So therefore, you have to have faith. And faith is in God. And the one verse in the Quran